In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use parallel dialer on FlashRev. So in order to add list to parallel dialer, you first go to list and then choose one of your lists created before. Then you select the contacts that you want to add to parallel dialer. And you choose add into dialer and you create a shortcut. Or you choose the existing shortcut here and press add. Then you now have the contact in a dialer. You go to dialer from calls tab, then choose parallel dialer. In this section, you can choose which shortcut to call to, or like if you leave it out, you have all the contacts that you added to the dialer previously. And you choose the dial number here. Then over here, you can choose the dial setting. For example, this one shows how many contacts you call at once. If it's 10, which means you can call 10 person at the same time. Then this is an important one, auto connect to humans only, which means the AI detects voice recordings or automatic responses so that you connect to humans only to save massive time. This is it for the setting. And if you press start dial, it's going to start dialing immediately. So it goes like this. You're calling 10 people at the same time. Just wait a little bit before we connect to one of the potential participants.
I didn't get that.
So when you call,
Please choose from the following.
So when you're connected, the website, the platform looks like this. And with the call intelligence, the AI will automatically search the public information to gather all the data about the company and the people. Then after ending the call, you end the current calls. Then you select the disposition and you make a note. Then you log and resume. Then now you're back to calling again.
Thank you for calling El Centro.
This is all you need to use parallel dialer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.